In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Idaho State, 2026, step by step. We'll start at the official source. Open your browser and go to the Idaho Judicial Branch website, then navigate to the Idaho iCourt portal. This is the statewide system where most traffic citations are posted and processed. Some counties also maintain their own online payment pages, but you'll typically be directed through iCourt. Always use official court sites to avoid extra fees or look-alike services. If you just received your ticket, be aware it might not show up right away. In Idaho, it can take several business days and sometimes up to 1 to 2 weeks for a citation to appear online. That delay is normal while the court processes the record. Even if you're waiting for it to post, keep an eye on the due date printed on your ticket so you don't cut it too close. Once you're in the iCourt portal, search for your citation. You can use your citation number, the case number if one has been assigned, or your name. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your ticket, paying attention to spaces, dashes, and spelling. If you have a common name, narrow your results by selecting the correct county or adding any other requested details. When you see the right entry, select it to open the case details. Review everything carefully. The portal will display your violation details, the total fine, any court costs or state fees, whether the case is eligible for online payment, and the due date. Read any notes on the case so you understand what you're paying and whether additional requirements apply. If the system shows that your citation is not eligible for online payment, follow the court's instructions shown on the case page. If your ticket is payable online, proceed to payment. Idaho courts commonly accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and many debit cards. Some courts also allow e-check or bank account payments. A small convenience fee may be added by the court or its payment processor. The portal will display this before you confirm. Double-check the amount, verify that you're paying the correct case, and then submit the payment. Avoid refreshing the page or using the back button while it processes. After you pay, save your proof. Take a screenshot or print the confirmation page, and keep the confirmation email if one is sent. Make sure the confirmation shows the date, amount, and case or citation reference so you can document your payment if needed later. Store that receipt with your records and you're done.